Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Detrucci, and today we're going to be reacting to Led Zeppelin Black Dog live in Madison Square Garden 1973. Love this concert so far. I haven't heard this song. Usually I do the album versions first, but the album versions of Led Zeppelin songs have been getting blocked recently, so we're just going to jump straight into the live and check it out, see what happens. No idea what to expect other than absolute epic madness, because it's 1973 Madison Square Garden and it's Led Zeppelin. If you combine those two together, you know Jimmy Page is gonna be absolutely crazy on the guitar as always. Just let's see what we got.
Hey, mama said the way you move gonna make you sweat, gonna make you groove. I can't keep away.
I really like the composition of this song. The stopping and starting motion of this. I like this. This is a type of composition that really gets me pumped up. So I'm really excited for this. By the way, shout out to the bass. The bass is absolutely crushing this right now. Oh yeah. Listen to that guitar riff. It's so crunchy.
Got a flaming heart, can't get my feet. Eyes that shine, burning red, dreams of you all through my head.
Hey, they show jump. Yeah.
People mean by down and down. Spent my money, I took my car, started telling her friend she's gonna be a star. Now I don't know, but I've been told a big leg woman ain't got no soul.
Guys, I love the guitar tone of this song. I want to know how is he doing that? How has he got his guitar to sound like this? It sounds so crunchy. Like, his guitar sounds so crunchy right now. I'm not used to hearing his guitar sound like this. This is really cool.
Big woman ain't got no soul. Woman gonna come my way.
Come my way.
I need a girl to hold my hand. Won't tell me no lies, make me a happy man.
Whoa! That's amazing. it down, that's enough. A double ending? No way, dude. And explosions. Double ending plus explosions. Oh man, I feel really bad for Jimmy Page's guitars on this concert. Like, he's absolutely murdering them. Like, I don't know if he's using the same guitar each time. I don't think he is. He might be switching back and forth between them. But man, every time I watch a song from this concert, he is absolutely murdering that guitar. Like, I'm sure he's bought a brand new guitar like straight afterwards. There's no way. Like, it's just best friend for life, eh? Having a guitar that you can rely on is definitely a best friend for life. Guys, who knew that when I started this Led Zeppelin reaction journey, who knew that I would find them to be like the best band for bedroom music? Like, that's not what someone expects when they start reacting to a classic rock band. Like, I guess that's what I've noticed is that bands don't sing about that stuff anymore. Like, why not? Why not? It's clearly a topic that everyone can relate to, right? So, I don't know. But man, whew, I think I'm gonna give this one to Robert Plant. The way he was using his vocals in this song, where it was just absolutely made the song for me. The rest of the instruments were really good, but I think Robert Plant was just on top of his game here, and this was definitely a really good song to show off his vocal range and to show just how much he adds to the atmosphere of the song, even though he's not even singing it. He's just saying, "Let's go!" Ah! Like, he's just doing this stuff, but it adds so much depth to the song, and it really makes it come alive. And so, I think Robert Plant was my favorite in this particular song. Black Dog, I really like it. It was awesome, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you want to see more Led Zeppelin, you guys know what to do. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.